Hey Ashley, this is Jackie in the library, and I think you left a message for me on my phone yesterday. You didn't leave a phone number, so I'm kind of guessing that you're the right Ashley. There's a couple in our list. So I'm going to just give you this quick video to walk you through how to get to our library databases. I'm hoping you have time to give me a call or come see me too, or somebody at the front desk if you have more questions, but this is hopefully at least a start for you. So to get to the library homepage, I think you know how to do this, but I'm going to just start from the very beginning here. Is from the college homepage, you'll click on Library. And when you click on Library, you will scroll down to our library databases. When you click on library databases, where most of our time is spent is in the top library databases. And this is Writing 121, I'm guessing. That's when I was looking up names. This is the class I thought you needed. Most of our work tends to be in Opposing Viewpoints or Academic OneFile, or sometimes EBSCO. So I'm just going to start here with Opposing Viewpoints, and I'm going to click there. Now when you are off campus, this is when you click there, that's where you should have gotten the pop-up screen. It's this big blue screen that says, please enter in your library card number. And that's where you would enter in that 14-digit library card number that you've hopefully gotten, and that gives you the access that you need. So once you're in, there's a couple different ways to use this particular database. And again, for Writing 121, I find students use this one quite a bit. You can browse, usually by topic. This is a very topical database. It kind of tries to kind of tune into what a lot of people are researching and what a lot of people are interested in. There's always a top 3, but so once you find a topic you're interested in, I'm just going to click Society and Culture. If it's not one of these 3 you're interested in, just click View All. And you will see a long list of things that are covered within this topic. So I don't know, let's say you're interested in, I don't know, the middle class. Why not? So you would click there, I'd give you an overview of the topic. You'd see different viewpoints, and you'd see viewpoints. These are the featured ones. Again, there's the top 3. Here's just a larger body of viewpoints. Again, the top 3, you would just click there to get all 89. And so in this case, a lot is looking at income inequality. That's the big thing with the middle class. You can say, and you can see they're not always next to one another like this. Income inequality is caused by, and then income inequality is not a problem. Those opposing points of view. But usually that's what this database tries to do. It kind of gives you lots of different viewpoints. So here's the article itself. There you go. You can read it. Some really cool things with this database is there's these citation tools. If I click there, assuming this is writing, not speech, you might be in Com 111 too, which uses this database a lot. You can see an example of how you would cite it. In this case, you wouldn't include the URL for the most part, but there you go. If you're in Com 111, you would use APA. So just be mindful of that. And but that in a nutshell is kind of it. I'm just clicking the back arrow. If you wanted other things like academic journals, if you wanted things like primary sources, or there's even cool videos, really good websites normally, that sort of thing, you can do that. And you can go back even further saying, well, I'm not really interested in this. Say you're more interested in things like, I don't know, teen suicide. For example, you can certainly do that if you're really interested in, everything from, zoos and aquariums to, eating disorders. So that's that database in a nutshell. Your question was really about how to get into the databases. So I'm hoping that's a good start. If you find you want to do some more work in Academic OneFile, this is where it's beyond the breadcrumb. This is where where it's taking you down this path. This is where you kind of put in your own ideas. And, you might want to come see me if you want to work in this one, because it's a little bit more complicated. But, so say if you're looking at, I don't know, cyberbullying and teenagers, it would take you to a bunch of articles, and really similar, you would open it up. There's the article citation tools, because it's the same company, but it's just a little different content. So anyway, yeah, hopefully this helps, and come see me or somebody at the desk if you can, or email, call, of course. Okay, take care.